Thumbs up, guys. So I've had a little bit of trouble with the Fluval canister filter. The 406 motor is not working, so I've had to swap my 306 and put it on the big tank. And now I've just had to tear this down. Caught all the fish. All my Anubias and my Crips are in here. There's a lot of them. Anubias. I'll let them all sit in the water for a couple of days. Hopefully no snails. Bit of moss that come off the wood. I've got to go find the wood. But yeah, I had to save the 6 foot rather than this one. I only had a few fish in it. Thanks guys.